Hey ladies and gentlemen, YouTube 21 here. So today we're going to be doing another in-store hunt. We're in Krogers right now. This one's out in Xenia. I hear this one's not the best, but let's see what they have. I'm just going to pass by, I might look for that later, but we'll see if I can find some collectibles. They better have some. Oh, Forza, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we are. Can you hold the camera for me? Got a 356 Speedster.
Check the back, just to be sure.
There's nothing back there.
No, just halo.
So I hit the jackpot already. I got a 356. So, guess we'll just start looking for the Mainline.
That was a nice one.
Oh yeah,
Muscle pack.
yeah.
It's got 71 Firebird. Yeah, 69 Charger Daytona, 08 Dodge Challenger. Yeah, you can see, look, Charger Daytona,
Yeah,
Challenger
nice
SRT8, Mustang Boss 302, Laguna Seca, Ford Torino.
David Michelson's here, by the way. We just got back from a 4th of July car show. An R8. This Kroger is actually pretty good for collectibles. 40 Mini.
Then over the fender.
Oh yeah, it's really nice. I don't know if I'm going to be getting any more, but these are the two ones I got since the mainline selection's crappy, but the collectible section. Got a Matchbox Audi R8 and the Porsche 356 Speedster. Only one more car to go, the Cutaway A. So, this machine continues whining at me. Let's just get these cars scanned. So now, we are in my garage. And with that said, let's unbox the cars. Now, I want to say this, but this is probably going to be one of my shortest unboxing videos ever, so yeah, just wanted to get that out there. So with that said, let's take a look at the first car, the Porsche 356 Speedster. So this is another Forza car. I only have one more car to go, which is the Pagani Huayra of Forza. So that said, let's take a look at it. Hot Wheels logo, some kind of stamp indent there. Forza logo, Forza Motorsport. Background with tire racks, the Turn 10 logo, Forza, tire racks. A lot of tools in the background. I really like this detailed garage background. The Porsche 356 itself. Forza, Porsche 356 Speedster, 1 out of 5 metal to metal real riders. Back, case coating, Forza Motorsport. All the cars you can get already have the CSL, the 911, and the GT Race. Substitute availability. 17 Mattel. Copyright like Bell, Ford, Forza, Goodyear, Coney, Xbox, Pagani, Microsoft. Trademark for the adult collector. HW collectors. Mattel, barcode. But that said, let's open the car up. So here's the 356 Speedster out of the package. Yes, it's one of the most beautiful looking classic Porsches. I do want to kind of point out the Volkswagen Beetle kind of front. It kind of looks like a Beetle kind of. At least the early Porsches did. But with that said, let's take a look at it. Silver accent going across the side. Forza logo, Forza Motorsport. Detailed door handle, don't know what that is. Forza logo. Bell. Rubber tires. Trim accenting around it. Just says Porsche Speedster. 2014 Mattel, Hot Wheels, made in Malaysia. There's a logo on the bonnet. Some accenting on the bonnet. Lights are detailed, as well as the indicators. Kind of the bumper's basically the same piece as the base. Really like that chrome detailing. Same as the other side. Rear, again, it does the same thing with the rear bumper. Tail lights. License plate, probably indicators, not detailed. Boot. I don't know if this is front engine or rear engine. Pretty sure it's air cooled. Fender with the boot. The interior actually looks a little futuristic. Looks like I'm interior in a modern day Porsche. It's a manual transmission, left-hand drive, unfortunately, but it just looks kind of modern. And I mean, it doesn't have like the computer or sat nav or anything, but it just looks kind of modern. A piece of the convertible roof right there in plastic. Piece of the same piece of the interior, clear windows, not tinted or anything. But that's all for the Porsche 356 Speedster. Let's go on to the next and last car. Now, I never knew this existed before I actually found it. It's a Matchbox Audi R8. Now, it's another Globe Traveler 65th anniversary car, like my Lamborghini Gallardo that I got earlier, the police car. But with that said, let's take a look at the package. Globe Travelers, Matchbox 65th anniversary, Matchbox. I'm guessing that might be Germany. The car itself, we'll take a look at that once I get the car unboxed. We have, honestly, Matchbox kind of has like that construction kind of accenting, honestly, in the bottom. Just 3-up. Actually seems more like a adult collector vehicle though. This is like rubber tires. Matchbox.com, case coding, Globe Travelers, Audi R8. Conquer the thrilling turns and roar down the straightaways of Monaco. This is not a product of Monaco. 2017 Mattel. Small parts and stuff. I never usually read that. There's a stamp in there. Indent. Mattel, barcode. Copyright and stuff. It's Audi R8 inside, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that right there. It says Audi R8. There's also a compass right there, just notice that. But, with that said, let's get this beautiful R8 unboxed. So it's kind of a pain in the butt to open. But, let's take a look at the R8 and the Matchbox. It's a Matchbox. Matchbox Audi R8. Accenting. 65th anniversary, the R8 itself. There's a racetrack. Same as the other side. Probably like Germany or something. Matchbox 65th anniversary. It's Audi R8. And Globe Travelers. So let's take a look at the car itself. It's one of my all-time favorite supercars. White accenting. White BBS wheels. It kind of looks like kind of rally spec wheels. I know it's not a rally car, but still. Basically, I'm pretty sure it's plastic. In Thailand, 2006 Mattel. Well, I didn't know the R8 was out that long. In 2007, Audi R8 Matchbox. Thought it was like introduced in like 2010. Audi, some orange accent in the bottom. R8, accented around it. Carbon fiber intake. Matchbox, oh crap. I'll focus. Matchbox 65 years. R8, we have a fuel flow door. It's a nice flat green color. I usually don't like flat colors, but I like this. R8, stripe across the bonnet. Audi logos, more stripes across the side. Accenting. Orange accenting. Headlights, vents. Grill, the small air dam. Same as the other side, except with no fuel flow door. Tail lights pretty detailed. Rear vents. Quad exhaust. It says MBX standing for Matchbox. MB World, that's what the license plate said, Matchbox World. R8, Audi stripes, some more accenting. Spoiler in there. Pretty sure it pops up. Interior, it's left-hand drive, unfortunately. Looks pretty detailed, it's black. Windows are not tinted. Let's see the engine. Pretty sure it's a 5-liter V10. That's all for the Audi R8. And that's all for this video. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today's unboxing video. So, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to check out my other videos. We have UAR and my UAR vlogs. I've one at this current time. It's a Cars and Coffee vlog. My next one will be coming out. It's the 4th of July car meet that I filmed just yesterday. That's all for today's video, and goodbye.